Here's another useful PC tip that I bet you didn't know, part I have no idea. Today I want to talk about what's called a restore point. This is something that Windows will automatically create before any sort of update. That way if your computer decides to go off the rails after you update it, you can always reset it back to how it was prior to the update. This also comes in handy if you're ever going to be testing out those TikTok tips for performance or FPS gains or anything of that nature. In order to access this feature, all you have to do is come down here to the search bar and type in restore. And then you're going to click on create a restore point. Once in this menu, it's going to bring up your system properties. In system properties, go to configure and make sure your system protection is turned on. And then you're going to go down to create. I recommend naming this restore point something that has to do with what you're doing, followed by the date. So in my case, it's going to be TikTok tip 1024. Sorry for not using spaces. I am a terrible person. Anyway, you're then going to hit create. Once you've done that, and you've tested the tip you wanted to test and it's not going well, all you have to do is come down to the bottom left, right click on the Windows icon and click run. In this menu here, you're going to type in rstrui.exe and click OK. That's going to bring up your restore system files. Click next. And within here, you're going to see the restore point that you created. Go ahead and click on it, hit next, and then click finish. This will go ahead and reset your computer back to how it was prior to attempting that tip that you saw. I hope this helps.